Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Greg with Idea Trading Ideas, and today is June 3rd, 2021. And today we're going to be going over 5 quarterly paying dividend stocks. And as you can see, we have Microsoft Corporation up on the screen. Current price at $245.03 a share. And they closed the market off with negative 10 cent right here, or negative 0.04% as the market closed yesterday. And right now in pre-market, or after hours, we're down $2.27 or negative 0.92%. As we scroll down, we go down into the dividend history. We see they had an ex-dividend date of May 19, 2021 with a dividend yield of 0.9%. Annual dividend is $2.24, and they have a PE ratio of 33.69%. As we scroll down, we like to go straight to the pandemic area. Right around pandemic time frame, they had been paying out 51 cents. And as you can see, that changed right around the end of 2020 to 56 cents as they kind of moved up in price. And going into 2021, they kept that 56 cents. So right now, every 3 months, you're going to receive 56 cents per share that you own of Microsoft shares. So we're going to move on to number 2, which is Apple Inc. Current priced at $124.06. It ended the market off positive 78 cents or 125.06 or positive 0.63%. Now, today is down negative $1.01 or negative 0.81%. As we scroll down to dividend history, we see that they have an ex-dividend date of May 7, 2021, which is past now, and dividend yield of 0.71%. Annual dividend yield is 88 cents and the PE ratio is 28.07%. As we scroll down once again back into when the pandemic started, they had a 77 cent per share payout during the quarters, and then it bumped up to 82 cents for the next 2 quarters. And then obviously we know that Apple had a stock split, right? They gave you 4 shares for 1, and they changed that to about 20 cents, right? So right now they're saying that they're willing to pay out 88 cents per share. It still pretty much adds up to be close to what you were getting before, actually a little bit more. So as the price goes up, obviously we should see the cash amount paid out to us as a dividend increase as well in terms of earnings per share. Anyway, moving on to number 3, Coca-Cola Company. Current priced at $55.40. Ended day out at $55.50 or positive 22 cents or positive 0.4%. As of now, it's down 11 cents or negative 0.20%. As we scroll down to dividend history, we see they have an ex-dividend date of June 14, 2021 with a dividend yield of 3.04%. Annual dividend is at $1.68, and we have a PE ratio of 33.23%. Going back to the pandemic, we see that they were paying out at 41 cents, which is 1 cent higher than 2019. They get through the pandemic, going to 2021, and they've upped it by another cent, right? So now they're paying out 42 cents. In the last 2 quarters, they're going to pay out this second quarter at 42 cents, right? So we're going to go ahead and move on to number 4, which is BP. As of right now, the current price is $27.37, and they ended the market day off up 61 cents or positive 2.26% for the day. And as of right now, they're down 25 cents or negative 0.90%. As we scroll down and look at the dividend history, we see that they had an ex-dividend date on May 6, 2021 with a dividend yield of 4.59% and an annual dividend of $1.24. They have no PE ratio right now, or it's not applicable at this particular time. And as we scroll down, we can pretty much see that in 2020, they were paying out about 62 cents per share, right? And that went on for about 2 quarters in 2020. And then obviously they cut their dividend because of what was going on in the pandemic, and it went down to 31 cents. And they kind of carried on with that 31 cent cash dividend ever since. We don't know if it's going to go back up in value or not. We're going to have to just wait and see pretty much, right? So last but not least, number 5, which is AT&T. And as you can see, current price at $29.54. and it ended the day off at 29.61, up 29 cents or positive 0.99%. Now, after hours, it's down 7 cents or negative 0.24%. As we scroll down, look at T's dividend history. We have an ex-dividend date of April 8th, 2021 with a dividend yield of 7.07% and an annual dividend of $2.08. PE ratio is not applicable at this time. And let's scroll down. As you can see, T has paid out about 52 cents during 2020, all through the pandemic, and then they started off with the first 2 quarters of 2021 paying out the same amount, 52 cents. Now, we just got told recently that AT&T does have a dividend cut coming, or they already actually have implemented it. So when we have the next dividends come out, it's probably been cut down. I don't actually know exactly what it's been cut down to, but if I had to guess, it will be probably in half. So we just have to wait around and see to what is going to be. You can do your research and find out for sure just by going to their website, and you'll have all that information. But anyway, this has been your 5 quarterly paying dividend stocks. Hopefully you learned something from the channel. Remember to please like, subscribe, comment. Hey guys, if I can do anything to help you, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye.